Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Umesh, and today we have a fascinating topic to dive into, to digital powerhouses who have captured millions of subscribers in their unique ways. MrBeast and Cristiano Ronaldo. These two personalities might seem worlds apart, but their strategies in amassing 10 million subscribers are worth dissecting. Joining me today is our ever-insightful AI co-host. How's it going, AI?
Hey Umesh! Excited to break down the content strategies of these two giants. While MrBeast is known for his wild challenges and philanthropic stunts, Cristiano Ronaldo leverages his global sports fame and lifestyle content. Both have taken different paths, yet their success is undeniable. Let's dive in.
Segment 1. MrBeast's strategy, viral challenges and philanthropy.
Let's start with MrBeast, whose rise to fame has been nothing short of explosive. Known for his outrageous challenges and jaw-dropping giveaways, MrBeast's content strategy is all about going big. AI, can you walk us through what makes his approach so effective?
MrBeast's strategy is rooted in viral content. He focuses on creating larger-than-life challenges that are not only entertaining but highly shareable. From offering people $100,000 to sit in a circle for days to giving away houses, cars, and massive sums of money, his content is designed to grab attention immediately. The wow factor is central to his videos. Beyond that, his philanthropy plays a huge role. MrBeast isn't just giving away money for clicks. He genuinely reinvests his earnings into even bigger acts of generosity. This creates a feedback loop. People love watching his content because they know it's going to be over the top, but it's also heartwarming. This combination of high stakes and feel-good moments is a potent formula.
Absolutely, and I think that philanthropic element is what makes him stand out. He's built a brand where people feel good about subscribing because they know they're indirectly contributing to something positive. It's a refreshing take in a digital landscape that often feels cluttered with superficial content.
Segment 2. Cristiano Ronaldo's strategy, leveraging global fame and lifestyle content.
Now, shifting gears to Cristiano Ronaldo, arguably one of the most famous athletes in the world. Unlike MrBeast, Ronaldo didn't need viral stunts to reach 10 million subscribers. AI, how did he do it?
Cristiano Ronaldo's strategy is more about capitalizing on his pre-existing global fame. As one of the best footballers of all time, Ronaldo had a massive audience long before he ever stepped into the world of digital content. His subscribers follow him not just for his skills on the pitch but also for the lifestyle he represents. Ronaldo's content is a mix of sports, behind-the-scenes glimpses into his life, fitness tips, and brand partnerships. What's key here is that he gives fans a window into the life of a global icon. Whether it's showcasing his rigorous training routine, sharing moments with his family, or giving insights into his luxurious lifestyle, Ronaldo's content feels aspirational. It's less about going viral and more about giving his fans consistent, authentic access to who he is.
I like that distinction. Ronaldo isn't chasing trends. His content is more about deepening his relationship with his existing fanbase. He's not trying to shock people into subscribing. Instead, he's offering an ongoing narrative that fans are invested in.
Segment 3. Key differences in their content strategies.
So, we have two very different strategies here. MrBeast is all about viral challenges, high stakes, and philanthropy, while Ronaldo's approach is rooted in authenticity, consistency, and leveraging his status. AI, what do you think are the key differences in how they approach content creation?
The biggest difference lies in their core audiences and content objectives. MrBeast's audience is broader and includes people who might not follow him regularly but are drawn in by the spectacle of his challenges. His content is designed to go viral, appealing to both casual viewers and dedicated fans. The unpredictable nature of his videos keeps people engaged because they never know what extreme idea he'll come up with next. Ronaldo, on the other hand, caters primarily to fans who are already invested in his career and persona. His content is more stable and less gimmicky, focusing on the lifestyle and values he represents. It's less about gaining random views and more about nurturing a long-term connection with his followers. His success isn't about going viral, it's about maintaining a global brand presence.
That's an important point. MrBeast's strategy is built for rapid growth and virality, while Ronaldo's is about sustained engagement. It's interesting how both approaches can be equally successful, depending on your goals and audience.
Segment 4. Lessons for content creators.
Let's break down what content creators can learn from both MrBeast and Cristiano Ronaldo. AI. What do you think are some key takeaways for those trying to build their own subscriber base?
First, from MrBeast, content creators can learn the power of reinvestment. He continually puts his earnings back into his videos, making each one bigger and better. This approach not only keeps his content fresh but also builds anticipation. Viewers are always excited to see what he'll do next. Creators can also learn the importance of viral hooks. MrBeast crafts titles and thumbnails that immediately pique curiosity, like "I spent 50 hours buried alive" or "Last to leave the circle wins 500,000." These hooks make people want to click and watch. From Cristiano Ronaldo, the lesson is to leverage your strengths and authenticity. Not everyone has the global fame Ronaldo does, but you can still focus on what makes you unique and use that to build a strong, loyal audience. Consistency, brand alignment, and authenticity go a long way in retaining subscribers over time.
Great points. I'd also add that content creators should focus on playing the long game. Whether you're going viral like MrBeast or slowly growing an authentic following like Ronaldo, it's about finding a strategy that aligns with your brand and sticking to it. That brings us to the end of this episode. We've seen how very different content creators MrBeast and Cristiano Ronaldo both managed to capture 10 million subscribers using distinct strategies. Whether you're aiming for viral hits or consistent authenticity, there's something to learn from both of them.
Thanks for having me, Umesh. It's been a great discussion. Remember, whether you're creating for fame, engagement, or brand building, understanding your audience and staying true to your content strategy is key.
Absolutely. Thanks to everyone for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more insights into content creation, digital strategy, and tech trends. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.